Okay, stop. Pick another color. That one, what color is that?
Green.
Good girl.
Oh, I thought that was cyan.
What color is that?
Orange.
Orange.
Maybe I can make like a rainbow. Are you making a rainbow?
What color?
I don't know.
Yellow. Good. Squeeze hard.
That's enough. That's enough. Whoa, it already looks pretty inside the cup.
Now what color is that? Pink. Oop, is that one hard to get out?
I got it. That's a lot.
No, it's not.
That's way too much.
Okay, keep going. Fill it up. Okay, that might be good. Okay, tip over. Wow, she did it. Okay, put it on the table. Look at Carly, she's so excited. Okay, put it down. Let it drip out.
It's like a rainbow.
Yeah, a rainbow?
It's a
Is it already looking pretty? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of white around here
Okay.
to help it.
This is like pancake art.
Okay, now I want you to pick up the cup.
Pick up.
Oh my
gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! Look at, is that
Oh my gosh,
beautiful?
Look at those spots. It looks like flowers.
Wow!
It looks like flowers.
Look how pretty!
It looks like flowers. I already want to start.
Oh my gosh! That is so pretty. They're called cells. Look at all those cells you have.
They actually look like cells. Oh,
It
that one
looks
looks like a
like
butterfly, like a butterfly wing.
Yeah. Looks like me.
See, now we're gonna wait for about 30 more seconds, and we're gonna let all the magic happen, and we're gonna let
The magic hasn't
the
already
cells are
happened?
all growing. Are the cells getting bigger and prettier?
Yes.
Okay, now.
It'd be great if there was another one like right next to that, because then it'd be a pink, a purple butterfly.
Okay, now we're gonna pick up the canvas and tilt all the paint, most of the paint off.
That sounds awesome.
Without, wait, this is Carly's. Without getting any paint on the floor. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, pick it up
I'm looking for the green.
and tilt it in a circle. Okay,
Okay.
a circle. Okay, pick it up.
Carly, just tilt it like this.
Yes. See what Sissy's doing? Okay, here
And
she
look at
goes.
the bottom. It looks so cool already.
Yep, it's falling off, huh? That's what we want to happen. We want it to all fall off. A lot of it has to fall off. Okay, tip it this side. Let it fall off this side.
Oh,
Good. Okay, stop.
so
Okay, now bring it back down a little bit towards you. And stop. Now tilt it this way toward your sissy. Tilt it that way. Ooh. Oh, and we're going to get messy. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to get messy. We're going to wash our hands.
Okay.
Okay, hold it. Tilt it. We got to tilt the paint off this side. It's okay. We're getting messy. It's all right. Look at Carly. She just doesn't want to have dirty fingers.
makes sense.
Carly's finger painting now.
Ah!
Ooh. Look at your messy hands.
Look at this. It adds like so much line.
Look at it.
Look at those hands. Oh my goodness.
There's so much purple.
Okay, slow down, stop. Maybe, ooh, that's gonna be pretty, and maybe if there's enough paint, then Carly can make one. Ooh, yeah. Did the whole thing get covered? Yeah, the whole thing.
That's a lot of white.
Okay, that might be really pretty. Okay, look at what else.